What a marvelous dinner, Nero. You're gonna have to give me the recipe for my wife.
I will never betray Mama's secrets.
Do you want me to get the dishes, Daddy?
Oh, why, of course, Esther, darling.
Would you like me to clean the table, sir?
Why, of course, Manson.
Can I offer you boys some more wine?
Oh, no thank you, Valeria. Me and Mr. Demonis have some paperwork we need to go over. Alone, if you don't mind.
Not at all. We'll get out of your hair.
Such a lovely family you have. Only mine was more like yours.
Oh, my pop always believed in hospitality, and God rest his and my mama's soul. I plan to adhere to that notion.
And what a gorgeous wife. Such a homemaker. My wife can barely make a cup of coffee. Let's get down to business. Now, as you can see, your first quarter finances are looking pretty good. With the exception of this phone bill here.
I know. Those boys can't keep their hands off my daughter. Always calling and bringing up my phone bill.
My Jenny has the same problem. Boys these days just can't keep their hands off our daughters for 1 second. Now, as Is anyone else hot in here?
No, I'm just fine.
And, do you mind turning down the heat? It feels like hell here. What was in that chicken, Nero?
Just my mother's recipe. And some garlic, dash of basil, some oregano. Oh, and we put sleeping pills in your wine. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
Oh, don't tease him now, Nero. You know it's always bad manners to play with your food before you kill it.
I'm guessing you're waking up now, Mr. Everest. Now, I'm not gonna hurt you. What? Besides, it's not like you're going anywhere. Larry tied these pretty tight. Girl Scouts be damned.
What the fuck is going on here? Let me go, please. Let me go.
Oh, why would we let you go now? The party's just getting started. It would be very rude to leave right now.
Do we have to kill him now? Can I have him first before we cut his throat? Give him a little pleasure before the pain?
Now, what if I sacrifice him to my demon pops? I mean, he's been looking for a fresh kill.
What is going on? Are you gonna kill me?
No. We're gonna torture you first. Then we'll kill you. We'd just lose all the fun if we killed you right away.
Why are you doing this? I go to church every Sunday. I pay my taxes.
We'd expect you to say that. All the rest say stuff like that right before.
Wait, what the rest?
Remember her?
I don't know who that is. I've never seen her before.
Does the name Dolores Miller ring a bell?
Never heard of her.
I'm guessing you'd remember following her home, grabbing her, taking her to the alley, taking her virginity. Look at her.
No.
She wanted to be a doctor. She could have saved so many lives. But you took away hers. So now, we're gonna take away yours.
Please, please don't. Please, help me. Help me. Please. Stop. Help. Help. Please. Stop. Don't do it.